Send invoices to your guests directly via Guesty. Include a customized message along with the invoice, and if relevant, securely collect payment details. This video will help you set up, send, and track guest invoices. Get started by setting up your invoice settings. You only have to do this once, and you can change the settings at any time. In the top menu, click Financials and select Guest Invoice Settings from the drop-down. Here you can upload your logo, enter company information, choose how your invoices will be numbered, set up a template for the email that will accompany the invoice, and enable the option to send a link to collect payment details from guests. You can preview the invoice by clicking Preview. Save the message at any time by clicking Save. The changes you save will apply to all future invoices. Now let's go ahead and send an invoice to a guest. In the top menu, click Reservations and select the relevant reservation. Click here to take a look at the reservation's financial information. Here, you'll see the option to send an invoice to the guest and track its status. In this instance, we can see that the invoice has not yet been sent. Click Send Invoice and this pop-up will appear. The email template that you set up earlier will be displayed. Make changes to it if relevant, and specify whether or not you would like to include the link to collect payment details. Click Preview Invoice if you wish. Hit Send when ready. That's it, the invoice has been sent. The status will now change to Sent. Once credit card details have been received from the guest, if relevant, you can go ahead and process any payments. If you have any questions or feedback, please let us know by clicking on the question mark on the bottom right corner of your screen. Thanks for watching!